Hey guys, Roman here. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to insert a hyperlink in Squarespace. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, there's a template opened, and let's say that we want to insert a link right here into this word podcast. So what we need to do is to first go and hit edit, because only then we can edit our page, and we're gonna get into the editor, the page editor. So if you hover over the text or any text, there's like a little highlighted frame that pops up, and if you left click on a word, any word basically, this little menu like a little box pops up. So what's very important is this icon right here, and first we need to like highlight the text that we want to put the link into, and then just left click on this icon right here, and right here in this field we need to insert the link that we want. So hit apply here and go to save, and as you can see, the page refreshes and you'll be able to click on this link. So if you left click it just to see what it does, you can also see the link in the lower left corner. So whenever you hover over this link, it's going to pop up on in the left bottom corner. So let's click on it, and as we can see, we are directed to a page that we have previously pasted there. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.